not know, Lucy. He has not confided in me.
Father, you look so worried. What is the matter?
Husband, you must tell us. What is troubling you?
It's nothing, child. I suppose it will come out eventually. We are in deeply depths of wild billions.
What? How can this be?
We are falling behind with our rent.
Behind with the rent? But you want the fair wage?
Yes, but Lord Villiers have seemed to double the rent.
Double the rent? We are ruined!
It's Quincy.
Child,
While will your scheming steward?
please open the door.
Well, good heart. Have you discussed the matter with your daughter?
No, I haven't yet.
What matter, father?
It's nothing you should worry about.
I think not. Lord Villiers wishes you to do the honor of becoming his wife.
His wife? No!
But she is betrothed to Trevor Trulove!
Whom I truly love.
Lucy, what do I hear? Tell me, my love, my pineapple of eye. Please tell me, whatever Quincy is telling are all lies.
Trevor, my love. No, my Prince Charming. Whatever Quincy says are not lies, but a bit of truth.
No! I can't bear this. Don't do this to me.
Trevor, you are the only one I love. You are the one who owns my heart. I will never hurt you.
Lucy, if death has to come to me, it has to come now, right now, at this very moment. I want to die once.
Enough! Stop this right now!
Don't be selfish, Lucy. Trevor is no match for you.
Why, mother? Because he's poor? Trevor owns my heart.
Child, he is not a right match for us.
What do I care for? Riches? Lord Villiers is repugnant. And Trevor is my only love. Please don't do this to me, Father.
Lucy, your father is making you realize the needs of your family. Only you can eradicate their debts. Think about it, girl. John, Lord Villiers wishes her to be the wife
When did this happen?
on the day of Navratri.
ढोलीड़ा ढोलीड़ा
सैयमानी सैयम में हिच लई गरबे घुमो ढोलीड़ा ना ढोल बाजा धम 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 धमक धम
ढोलीड़ा
धम धम बजे
ढोलीड़ा
धम धम धमक बजे
ढोलीड़ा
धम धम धमक बजे
गज गज रे ढोल पे हवा ढोलीड़ा
धम धमक बजे
ढोलीड़ा
धम धमक बजे
Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, yes.
बिगड़ा जाए जरा जरा दिल मेरा खुल के नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा कैसे समझो उड़ गया हो सारा रे ढोल पे नशा ढोलीड़ा
धम धम धमक बजे
ढोलीड़ा
धम धम धमक बजे
ढोलीड़ा
धम धम धमक बजे
गज गज रे ढोल पे
My dear villagers, on this auspicious day, I had gifts for all of you. Hooray for Lord Williams!
Hooray!
What are you cheering for? Listen to him first.
Silence, everyone! Lord Villiers has decided to meet at your houses.
Hooray for Lord Villiers! Hooray for Lord Villiers!
But before that, you have to sign on this paper.
What is written in this paper?
Who was it? Who was it? Lord Villiers wants to help you, and you people are doubting his intentions.
Don't be angry, Quincy. They know how much I love them. My heart bleed for them. I want to keep them close to myself. I am promising you, I will go take good care of your houses like mine.
He's right. Our house needs renovations.
Hooray for Lord Williams!
Hooray for Lord Villiers!
I beg of you not to ask this of me. Think, Lucy, you would become mistress of his magnificent mansion, father, and wealth untold. What do I care for? Only Trevor is my true love. Oh, Trevor, save me before it's too late.
Don't be foolish, Lucy.
Don't worry, my dearest. I, Trevor, on the triumph of my true love, promise you that I will fight for you till the last breath of mine.
That will Villiers.
What What has he done now?
First he doubled our rent.
And now he's going to halve the wages?
Why half the wages? Arey, our livelihood depends on him.
We are ruined. We all
has he done now?
He's ruining our lives.
And most of all, mine.
How so, Lucy?
Williams wants me to be his wife.
But you have promised to Trevor true love.
Oh, your lordship has no hold over you. Why don't you refuse him?
He always manipulates our life.
You don't understand, my friends. We are in debt of 5 million. If I do not marry him, we'll be thrown out of the cottage. Destitute.
How despicable.
How utterly deplorable.
But fear not.
Here comes
our hero, Trevor True Love.
La la la
La la.
la 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 Divine Dottie, I will save you, Lucy. And your family too.
Do not despair, my lovers. As I always say, love will find a way.
Yes, sir, it will.
The dirty creature.
Don't be so rude. She's a true woman.
Good overcomes evil.
True love triumphs all.
Very well, Dottie. But we must be practical. But that wild Villiers must be vanquished. Down, down,
Oh, lady. I am the Stephen of Lord Villiers. Oh, I beg my pardon, sir.
I am here. Hey, watch! Oh, lady, where are you going?
Sorry, sir. Pardon.
Ha! Touching. Is it not touching, Quincy? To see all good people gathered here to wish me on my betrothal to Lucy Goodheart.
Very touching, my lord. Methinks he's somewhat touched himself, if he believes that.
What? True love, you here? Be gone! Back to your bookkeeping. Lucy is no longer yours.
Oh, Trevor, save me from this unbearable situation.
Lucy is my betrothed, and you have no hope to marrying her, especially in the light of.
Hold your tongue, true love. You tampering dog!
Don't vilify me, wild Villiers. Your verbosity is but vanity. You vindictive venomous viper! Ah!
Lord Villiers done. No one has dared him before. Everyone was scared, but a hero was valorous. Trevor is a true hero.
Do not fear, Lucy. Love will always find a way.
Dearest Dottie, keeps delving into the romantic novels. Cheers.
How delicious. Soon the delectable Lucy will be mine. you will find me a fair and generous husband.
Fair and generous. Does little know what I'm gonna reveal?
Since his father, Lord David, has died, he has done nothing but take, take, take.
Silence! Did you all forget the time I gave you each a cup?
That was generous. That was generous indeed. A clever move to save taxes under new law, if you ask me. That was also right. Hey, down with the warriors! Down with the warriors!
This is outrageous! Preposterous!
Generous indeed. As his bookkeeper, I can answer that. He is stealing your money to pay his gambling debt. Oh, fraud!
Liar!
I'm sure the state provides him enough.
I am innocent! I am innocent! If anyone has to believe, it must be Quincy!
Stop!
This is outrageous! Preposterous! I am a loyal and trusty steward!
Be gone, Quincy! You're quizzling! Your services are no longer required!
You have heard me, my lord! You will rue the day you cross Quincy!
And as for you, I will deal with you later. Come, Lucy, come to me. Do not resist anymore, dear child. Go with him. Think of a future.
Trevor is bound to lose his position.
How could he even support you?
All hopes are gone.
Do not give up, Trevor. Every cloud has a silver lining. If one door opens, another one. Sorry. If one door closes, another one opens.
Silence, anyone! This is the last will and testament of David Lord Villiers.
What? Will? What will? Which will? My father never left a will, so his entire estate came to me.
say to Tati.
What?
Thinking of you keeps me awake. Sleeping. All I can say is, Tati, being with you keeps me alive.
What the hell do you mean?
Now she doesn't understand.
He means he loves you.
He loves you? Oh, brah!
चाहिए थोड़ा प्यार
And everyone
चाहिए थोड़ा प्यार चाहिए जाने मन